All right, so with 30, 31, and 32, this next section here, what we're going to be doing is using what we just saw in the previous several videos to break down a variable and its exponent into good stuff, bad stuff. So we've been given the fifth root of x to the 13th. And so now let's break this down into good stuff and bad stuff. All right. And again, when you're dealing with a variable and its exponents, you want to go back to your index or root and start thinking in multiples of that root. So in this case, if our root or index is 5, start thinking in multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. Go back to your power of the variable that you're working with and ask yourself, is this power, in this case 13, a multiple of our index? Nope, I don't see 13. So we then ask ourselves, well, what is the next number down from 13 that is a multiple of our index? Well, the next number down from 13 that's a multiple of 5 is 10, right? So when we break x to the 13 up into good stuff, bad stuff, x to the 10 will be good, x to the 3 will be bad, and 10 plus 3 gives us our 13. And that's all we did. Now we've broken this up, good stuff, bad stuff. We know that the good stuff is going to come out of the radical clean and free. So let's go ahead and see what we end up with. Well, we know we're going to have an x, but what is the exponent going to be? Well, let's go ahead and take the power that was originally under the radical, in this case 10, and divide it by the index or root, in this case 5. 10 divided by 5 gives us 2, so when this x to the 10th comes out, it's going to come out as x to the second power. And then we simply rewrite our garbage radical or bad stuff radical. So our final answer here is x squared times the fifth root of x cubed.